Hello, and welcome to Next Move Technologies. My name is Adam, and today I'll be showing you how to enable program tracking on a Next Move Technologies link-align antenna positioner using NORAD 2-line element sets. This video builds on the previous videos in the series, so if you haven't been following along, make sure to watch the first video in our series to see how to set up a Next Move positioner. For those who aren't familiar with what a 2-line element set is, it is a standardized method of communicating the position of a satellite in orbit around Earth. These element sets are released by the US Air Force and NORAD, and are publicly available for orbiting objects. These element sets are available from various online resources, and we have found that the resources at www.celestetrack.com to be very comprehensive if you're looking to test the satellite tracking capabilities of a Next Move positioner. In the Next Move Positioner GUI, this ability to track satellites via a 2-line element set, or a TLE, is known as Program Track, and can be found next to the Fixed Locations menu. To load a TLE, first start by downloading an element set from the desired source, in our case, CelesteTrack, and save it to your disk as a text file, .txt. With the file saved locally, click the Upload button in the GUI, and a menu will appear. Under Options, the user can specify what actions to take in relation to any TLEs currently stored on the positioner, either deleting all or overriding TLEs with identical identifiers. Under File Format, you can specify whether or not a satellite name is included with the data, 3-line or not, 2-line. Not including a name will not affect the saving of the track, since all satellites in orbit are assigned a unique identifiers by NORAD and are represented in the TLE. Once the settings are configured, click Load and select the TLE text file on your local machine. Click OK, and the TLEs will be loaded into the window. Review the data to make sure it is loaded correctly. Satellite names will be in red, line 1 of the TLE will be in blue, and line 2 of the TLE will be in green. Click Upload TLEs when you have checked the data, and the data will be loaded into the Program Track menu. Click on any satellite loaded, and if it is within the entry and exit angles specified in the Settings module, the positioner will begin tracking. To stop tracking or to rename a satellite, right-click on any entry in the list. After you have loaded a 2-line element set, it may be necessary to configure the settings of the Program Track module to improve the quality of your tracking. To do this, click Track Settings, and a menu will appear with all options for the program tracker. The Offsets field allows the user to account for any error that is found in the program while tracking, in both axes of the track. The Elevation fields allow the user to specify how far, in relation to the horizon line, the positioner will track the satellite. The positioner will begin to track a satellite once it reaches the entry angle below the horizon, and stop after it reaches the exit elevation. As a note, if the signal is lost before the positioner reaches the exit angle, the positioner will initiate the LOS behavior below. The LOS, loss of signal behavior, allows the user to specify what the positioner will do when the signal is lost from the satellite during a track. The positioner can either automatically enter standby mode indefinitely, position itself to the stow position, or pre-position itself to begin the next pass of the satellite. Pre-position will tell the positioner to, when the signal is lost, go to the entry point for the satellite's next pass, and wait to pick up the orbit again. Once all of the appropriate settings are configured, click Save and Close to commit the changes. This video is part of a comprehensive video series detailing how to operate a Next Move positioner. To learn more, check out the next video in the series or visit our website at www.nextmovetech.com. Happy positioning!